Welcome. In this video I wanted to share a quick zip tie trick. So say you have a zip tie going around a wire, and if your zip tie is long enough, then if you wrap it around multiple times, if you want to reuse it again, you can just snip it. So I'll tighten this a little bit more because I'm not going to wrench down on these super tight. But I can go in here and cut this. And now I can wrap it around one time. I'll press that through, or I'll pull it out. Feed this in. Okay. And actually what you typically want to do is cut these flush. So I'm using these flush cut pliers, and I really like these, and I'll put a link in the description of these on Amazon. If you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So if you see when you cut it flush, it doesn't leave a little nub to cut you. But then I can go back in here and cut this off again. And I can get another use out of it. So I got to press that out. And there we go. So typically with wires like this, you just want to use like a Velcro tie, but I was putting up some gardening fence with some of these, and we may readjust the fence in a few weeks, I don't know. So wrapping it around, I can get a couple uses out of these zip ties. I don't have to waste them. That being said, the sun might break them down. They might break off in a couple of months, who knows. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.